Hello guys, in this video we will understand the pointers with very simple example. So as you can see, we are already on main.go file. To start, in the main function, I will create one variable, let's say a. I will initialize to any random value, let's say 2. Then I will change the value of this variable to 4. So for that, I'll be printing value of a before and after. That's it. So let's run this program. As you can see, before changing the value of 2 as earlier, and after changing, it become 4. Simple thing. Now, to understand pointers, let me explain this in memory context. So whenever we assign value 2 to variable a, in memory, it get assigned on some address, let's say address 1. Okay, whenever we are printing it, it is printing the variable a from address 1 only. We assigned value 4, so the address of a would be the 1. Okay, the same variable we are reassigning this value. Then again we are printing value of a which would be on same location. So whenever we run this, since we are printing the value of a from this example location 1, it is showing whatever the value of a of that particular location. Now to understand the pointers, let we change the value of a through the function. So for that I will create one function, change value. Okay, I'll pass this variable a inside this function, and I'll create separate function where we are taking a, and I'll be changing value of a inside this function. So when I save it and I run this program, you'll see the value before and after is a 2, which is the same value we have over here. What is happening inside this function is something we need to focus. So when we pass the value a inside this function, we pass the value at location 1, but when you assign the value inside this function, it get assigned to other location. So let's say that location would be 2. Okay, so what exactly happened here is, since we are printing value at location 1, it is printing the value of a at location 1, which is 2 only. That is why you are getting 2. Now what would be the solution to change the value of this example location 1 when we pass through the function? So for that, rather than passing a only, we need to pass the address of this variable a. Okay, so address of this variable a means address of variable a inside the location, which is the 1. So to pass the address, we need to add ampersand symbol over here. When you add ampersand over here, you are passing address of a, and to denote that inside this function we need to add star over here. Once when you add star over here, it will give you the value of a at this particular address. Okay, and it will change it. So here address will become 1 as earlier. If I save this program, you see the value got changed. So this mechanism overall known as pointer, here address of a is nothing but the pointer to this variable a. Okay, the pointer, this is pointing to the address inside the memory. So we passing address over here, we are recovering our variable a over here and assigning value 4. So this is a simple example of pointer.